The Introvert Oasis presents, are INFJs truly the happiest when connected with Mother Nature? Have you ever wondered where INFJs find their greatest happiness? Is there a secret ingredient that unlocks their inner joy? What if the key to unlocking the boundless happiness of INFJs lies in the embrace of Mother Nature? Picture this, INFJs surrounded by the serene beauty of a sun-kissed forest, breathing in the crisp, fresh air, and feeling an indescribable sense of contentment. But is it mere coincidence, or is there something deeper at play? Today, we embark on an extraordinary exploration into the symbiotic relationship between INFJs and the natural world. Brace yourselves for a captivating journey as we uncover the secrets and unveil the hidden wonders that ignite the souls of INFJs when they find solace in the arms of Mother Nature. Prepare to be inspired, enchanted, and perhaps even find a little piece of happiness within yourself along the way. Number 1. Nature as a source of recharge. INFJs, with their introspective and empathetic nature, often find solace and rejuvenation in the embrace of nature. The calm and peaceful environment provides them an escape from the noise and demands of daily life. To recharge their emotional and mental batteries, INFJs can engage in activities such as hiking in the mountains, taking long walks on the beach, or even finding a quiet spot in a park to sit and observe their surroundings. These moments of connection with nature allow INFJs to find inner balance, regain energy, and return to their daily lives with a renewed sense of happiness and well-being. Number 2. Beauty and aesthetics. INFJs possess a deep appreciation for beauty, and the natural world becomes an enchanting canvas for their senses to behold. From the awe-inspiring landscapes of mountains and forests to the delicate intricacies of a blooming flower, nature's aesthetics captivate the hearts of INFJs. To fully immerse themselves in this beauty, INFJs can spend time in botanical gardens, visit national parks, or even take up nature photography as a hobby. By actively seeking out and appreciating the beauty of nature, INFJs can experience a heightened sense of joy and fulfillment in their lives. Number 3. Reflection and self-discovery. Nature serves as a powerful catalyst for self-reflection and introspection, which are vital to INFJs' personal growth. Surrounded by the serenity of natural environments, INFJs can delve deep into their thoughts and emotions, gaining clarity and insight into their values, goals, and purpose in life. They can embark on solo hikes or retreats, finding moments of solitude to reflect upon their inner selves. Engaging in mindfulness practices, such as meditation or journaling, while connecting with nature can help INFJs tap into their intuition and discover their authentic selves. This process of self-discovery brings them profound happiness and fulfillment. Number 4. Empathy and connection. INFJs are known for their deep empathy and profound connection with others. Nature's inherent beauty and interconnectedness resonate harmoniously with INFJs' empathetic nature. They perceive the interdependence of all living beings and find solace in the balance and harmony present in natural ecosystems. To enhance this connection, INFJs can engage in activities that involve environmental conservation and animal welfare. They can volunteer for wildlife preservation organizations, participate in beach cleanups, or support local initiatives that promote sustainable living. By actively caring for and preserving the natural world, INFJs deepen their connection with the environment and foster a sense of purpose and happiness that stems from contributing to a greater cause. Number 5. Inspiration and creativity. Nature's limitless inspiration fuels the creative endeavors of INFJs. The ever-changing landscapes, colors, and sounds of nature spark their imagination and ignite their creativity. INFJs can take long walks in parks or forests, allowing their minds to wander and draw inspiration from their surroundings. They can incorporate elements of nature into their creative pursuits, whether it's writing poetry, painting landscapes, or composing music. Creating an outdoor studio space or dedicating a corner of their home to nature-inspired art can serve as constant reminders of the beauty that fuels their creative expression. By embracing this connection between nature and creativity, INFJs find immense joy and fulfillment in their artistic endeavors. Number 6. Finding purpose and meaning. Connecting with nature helps INFJs discover a deeper sense of purpose and meaning in life. Observing the cycle of life, the resilience of ecosystems, and the intricate balance in natural processes awakens a profound sense of awe within INFJs. They can find purpose by engaging in activities that contribute to environmental sustainability and conservation. INFJs can cultivate their own organic gardens, participate in community-supported agriculture, or advocate for sustainable practices in their daily lives. By aligning their life's purpose with the wisdom found in nature, INFJs experience a lasting sense of happiness and fulfillment. Before going to the last point, if you think you got some value out of this video, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe for more videos of INFJs and their unique personalities. And don't forget to check the description for more information that we've put together especially for you. For example, a selection of audiobooks that all INFJs will enjoy. I really appreciate your support. Number 7. A sense of belonging. When INFJs connect with Mother Nature, they experience a profound sense of belonging. The vastness and timelessness of nature remind them that they are an integral part of something much greater than themselves. INFJs can seek out natural spaces where they feel connected and at peace, such as hiking trails, botanical gardens, or even remote wilderness areas. They can engage in activities that promote mindfulness and deep connection with the natural world, such as practicing forest bathing, meditating in nature, or participating in outdoor group activities like nature retreats or eco-tours. By nurturing this sense of belonging, INFJs cultivate inner peace, contentment, and a genuine happiness that radiates from within. So, are INFJs truly the happiest when connected with Mother Nature? Based on their introspective nature, deep empathy, appreciation for beauty, quest for self-discovery, creativity, purpose, and sense of belonging, it is evident that the natural world plays a significant role in their happiness and fulfillment. By actively seeking out and embracing the wonders of Mother Nature, INFJs can experience moments of solace, profound reflection, enhanced empathy, boundless inspiration, a deeper sense of purpose, and a profound connection with the world around them. If you're an INFJ, embrace the beauty and wisdom of nature, and let it guide you towards a path of lasting happiness and fulfillment. That concludes today's video. We hope you found our exploration of the deep connection between INFJs and nature insightful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking discussions. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. How has connecting with Mother Nature brought happiness and fulfillment into your life as an INFJ? Share your tips, favorite experiences, and any additional insights you have. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.